Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do a horizontal scroll on Figma. It's actually relatively simple, so I'm going to show you all the very fine steps. Let's get into it. So the first thing we're going to do here to start our horizontal scroll is we're going to need something to scroll in. Alright, so we've got this frame over here. And the next thing we're going to do is go up to our shaping tool and we're going to create a rectangle. Now this can be a rectangle, it can be a circle, it can be anything that you want it to be. All right, we're going to do this. We're going to right click on it and we're going to say copy and we're going to say paste here. All right, now let's go ahead and do that again. You can also use your keyboard. All right, so you can use Control C and Control V and you can have that copied. Now just to speed up this process, let's do Control V, Control C, and let's put it like that. So this is essentially what we have, okay? And what you're seeing now is me using Shift and my mouse wheel to move from left to right. All right, so this is what we have. We're going to go ahead and let's just scroll out of here quickly and let us click down and drag, and we're going to select all of these. We're going to right click, and the first thing we need to do is group selection, okay? The next thing we're going to do is right click and we are going to frame selection. Now what we can do is come over here. Of course you can change the size of this, but for now we're going to leave it as is. We're going to put this just over here in the center. Okay. And what you want to do is you want to drag this just down to inside of your frame. All right, we can put that equally. So that's now sitting equally inside here. Now, while this is selected, you're going to go up to the top right-hand side. It should be on design. Once you're happy with your design, you're going to go to prototype. And here where it says scroll behavior, it says position. We're going to say scroll with parent. And here the overflow, we're going to say horizontal. Now you can go up to the top of your page. You can see there's a preview or a play button. Let's click on this. This will give you the opportunity to test your design, and all you need to do is click down and drag your mouse from left to right and see if it works.